Hello everyone, welcome back to my day 4 of my blockchain development journey. And if you are new here, my name is Emmanuel, and I'm documenting my journey from a complete beginner to a professional blockchain developer and a smart contract auditor. And today in this video, we're going to answer one of the most important questions many beginners do ask. And the question goes like this: why am I learning JavaScript before Solidity? At first, I thought since I was learning smart contracts and my main goal was to become a Web3 developer, I should just move straight into Solidity. That's the programming language used on the Ethereum ecosystem. But after many research and asking some experienced developer, they said that was not the right approach, that I should start from JavaScript. It is recommended for every beginner to start from JavaScript. And before I tell you why, let's know what is JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most popular programming language used in Web 2 development. We use it to build web applications, and it's also used in the Web 3 too, to interact with blockchain through libraries and framework. And as I'm learning more, I will discover exactly how those tools work. But I know JavaScript is an important foundation if you are moving into the Web 3. So why learn JavaScript first? The biggest reason why you learn JavaScript first, because JavaScript teaches the fundamentals of programming. It helps you understand variables, data type, functions, loops, condition, objects, and arrays. And this syntax is also similar to that of Solidity. So once you learn this syntax, Solidity won't be that hard for you again. It will just be an easy peasy. So all these syntax are found in Solidity too. And learning JavaScript too, it will give you the idea and the skills to code and to debug at the same time. Because Solidity is, I think, is a more complex programming language, but the syntax are alike. So now, what is Solidity? Solidity is a programming language used on the Ethereum ecosystem, used to write smart contracts and And what are smart contracts? Smart contracts are programs stored on the blockchain that run according to a preset. It runs when the preset conditions are met, a smart contract executes. They are just like it's a programming language stored on the blockchain that run according to the predefined rules. So once all conditions are met, a smart contract will execute. So my goal is to learn Solidity well enough to build security smart contracts and eventually audit them for security issues. Why not JavaScript skills? Why not skip JavaScript? I mean to say, some people do start directly with Solidity, but that was not I won't advise that. I won't advise you to move into Solidity first of all. I won't advise you to move into Solidity as a beginner. Learn JavaScript first. Yes, learn JavaScript, know the fundamentals, know the basics of JavaScript, then move into Solidity. JavaScript helps you to develop them and solving skills and makes it easier to work with tools used in the Web3 development. If you learn JavaScript, Web3 development won't be that hard for you. So it also gives you an experience on working and debug. It helps give you experience writing and debugging code before deploying smart contracts. So it helps you to know your way around programming then before you move into smart contracts. And my learning plan, I want to share with you. I wrote out 10 learning plans I'm going to follow, and I'm going to mention them so we can all follow that roadmap. So number 1 is learning JavaScript fundamentals, practicing and building small projects. As we're practicing, we'll be building small projects alongside, so we'll be learning more faster. And we're going to learn Git and GitHub, study blockchain fundamentals, learn Ethereum, learn Solidity, build smart contracts, and learn smart contract testing and study blockchain security and practice smart contract auditing. That is going to be the last thing we're going to do. And I know this journey won't happen overnight, but I'm committed to taking it step by step. At the time, I won't rush, because the Web3 programming is not what you rush and just get yourself messed up. So you take it step by step, and I know one day we'll all get there. So you may ask, why am I documenting everything? the main reason I'm documenting this thing is to keep myself accountable, and also help help those people starting from scratch, so we can grow along. As you're watching me, you also have that hope that, or you also have that confidence that it's not only you that is starting. There are people out there, there are many beginners that you can learn from. So that's the reason why I'm documenting this whole thing. So my advice to beginner is if you're just starting, don't rush, just take it easy, step by step. Focus on understanding the basic before moving into advanced topic. It's better for you to build a strong foundation and then to memorize code, because oftentimes people just memorize code randomly, and they don't have that fundamental. If you ask them what is this, they can't be able to explain or define what that actually means. So it's better for you to just start from the scratch, build a strong foundation. Yes, don't be familiar with what you are doing, then just memorizing code randomly. It will not be a good approach for you if you're starting into the Web3. And programming is a skill that it gives you, if you're programming and you don't like code, you won't be familiar with what you're doing if you're just memorizing it. Programming is a skill that you need to have your hands on code. You have to get your hands dirty. Yeah, if you're just reading or looking at code, you won't learn anything. You have to code yourself, then debug. That stress, it will give you, as you're debugging, it will give you the sense of, each time you see this problem, you know this is I've done this before, and you'll be able to solve it. So I'm excited to take this next step, and I hope you join me on this journey. And in closing, thank you very much for watching my day 4 of my blockchain journey. And also, if you're a beginner in the blockchain, I would like you to let me know in the comments, and let me know where you are in your journey, so we can discuss and also share experiences. So if you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing, so you will be updated in my next video, and we will all grow together. Thank you. God bless you. Keep learning. Stay consistent. We'll see you in day 5. Thank you.